I don't have the code for the radio, so I've been looking on YouTube videos and I might have a solution for it, so I'm going to give that a go. So it says on a YouTube video, turn it on so you get the... Oh no, it's got a timer so I can't even do it yet. I don't know why it's still counting down from last night. Right, I'm going to have to wait 25 minutes before I can even try this, so scrap that. I'll be back in a bit. Right, I'm back. The timer's finished counting down so I can have a go at this radio code. So, it says press 1 and 6. I don't know if that's together or what, but it should bring up a load of numbers, start scrolling through a load of different numbers. Maybe you hold it on, that's it. And it's the V number I'm after, apparently. So that's the V number there. Right, so I need to put that number into a website and it should generate a code. So I'll go in and try that and see what it comes up with. Right, I've used a free radio code generator. So I've got my code and it came up with 6515. So we'll give that a try. So I turned the ignition on a bit. I was telling me to wait half an hour again. What the f***? On here. Right, I've got another half an hour to wait for the... Right, I'm back. We're counting down, 33 seconds to go, and then I can try this code, and hopefully it works. It's 6515. Hooray! Right, so first number, you press number 1 and click it 6 times. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and then next number's 5, so that's press number 2 button. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next number's 1, so press the 3rd button. 1, and then 4th thing is 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I think you press 5 after that. Hey! Sorted. Alright, so that should make the rest of these jobs less painful because I can listen to some music. So if you're struggling with that code, go on that site that I show in the video, because a lot of them charge. And there's no need. That one I picked were free, so and it worked. So I'll write that code down, and then in future I'll be taking this battery off a million times to do bits of jobs, so it's handy to have that code. So yeah, sound, give it a try.